Artificial intelligence or AI assistants are clever pieces of software. They are designed to understand what we say. They can also understand written commands. Their main purpose is to perform tasks for us. Think of them as digital helpers, always ready to lend a hand. These assistants learn from every interaction they have. This means they get better at their jobs over time. They are constantly evolving, becoming more intuitive. AI assistants have a range of core functions. They can answer your burning questions about the universe or perhaps just tell you today's weather. They play music, set crucial reminders, and even make telephone calls. These capabilities are becoming increasingly common in our daily lives. We find these digital minds embedded in our smartphones. They also reside in dedicated smart speakers that sit patiently in our homes. They are quietly becoming part of the furniture. The technology that powers these assistants is quite fascinating. It involves something called natural language processing, or NLP. This allows machines to understand human language with all its quirks. Then there is machine learning, often called ML. This enables them to learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every single task. It is this learning ability that makes them so adaptable. They improve, they refine, they get smarter. Consider their journey. Early voice commands were simple, often clunky. Now, we can have much more complex conversations with AI. They have evolved from a mere novelty, a party trick. Today, they are becoming indispensable tools for many individuals. This transformation has paved the way for their deeper integration into our homes, and indeed into the very fabric of our society. The digital revolution continues, one command at a time. AI assistants are no longer confined to the screens of our phones. They have truly moved into our houses, becoming part of the domestic landscape. Smart speakers are a very visible example of this trend. You will find them perched on kitchen counters. They sit on bedside tables and living room shelves. These devices are always listening, ready to assist with a spoken command. They are the new generation of household help. Imagine starting your day. You are making your morning tea or coffee. You can ask your AI assistant for the weather forecast or request the latest news headlines. Perhaps you want to hear your favorite uplifting playlist. These might seem like small conveniences, but these simple tasks, effortlessly handled by AI, make daily life just that little bit smoother. They add a touch of futuristic ease to mundane routines. AI assistants are becoming adept at managing busy family schedules. They can set reminders for school pickups or doctor's appointments. You can verbally add items to the shared shopping list as you notice you're out of milk. They can help coordinate the activities of different family members. This turns the AI assistant into a central information hub for the household. It helps to keep everyone organized and on the same page. Beyond convenience, AI assistants offer profound benefits for accessibility. Think about elderly individuals living alone, or consider those with physical disabilities. Voice commands can control lights, adjust the thermostat, or even call for help in an emergency. This capability can grant users a greater degree of independence. In some cases, an AI assistant can be a genuine lifeline. This showcases their broader societal value, far beyond simple task management. One of the most significant advantages of AI assistants is efficiency. They help us reclaim precious minutes from our busy days. They achieve this by automating many routine tasks. This, in turn, frees us up to focus on other activities, perhaps more complex work or simply enjoying some leisure time. Consider the kitchen, for instance. An AI assistant can read out a recipe step-by-step, hands-free. These digital companions are also masters of information management. Need to settle a friendly debate about a historical fact? Your AI assistant can find the answer in seconds. Children struggling with their homework can ask for explanations of complex topics. This instant access to a vast repository of information is incredibly powerful. It is like having the sum of human knowledge, or a good portion of it, at your beck and call. AI assistants can significantly reduce our mental load. We humans have a finite amount of attention and memory. We do not have to remember every single little detail of our day. The assistant can take on that burden. A simple "remind me to water the plants on Friday" is all it takes. This offloading of reminders and small tasks can reduce stress. It allows us to conserve our mental energy for more important matters. Over time, these clever assistants learn our preferences and habits. They begin to understand the rhythm of our lives. They might suggest a new song from an artist you enjoy or remind you about a recurring weekly commitment without being prompted. This personalized assistance becomes increasingly valuable as the AI learns more. It makes the interaction feel more natural, more like dealing with a helpful human counterpart. This learning capability is truly remarkable. AI assistants are increasingly becoming the central nervous system of the modern smart home. They possess the intelligence to connect to a wide array of other smart devices. Think of smart light bulbs that change color on command. Consider smart thermostats that learn your temperature preferences, or smart security cameras that keep a watchful eye on your property. This creates a seamlessly interconnected ecosystem within your home. Your dwelling responds to your voice. Imagine the ease of controlling your home environment. With a simple voice command, you can say, "Dim the living room lights for movie night," or on a chilly morning, "Turn up the heating in the bedroom." These commands make managing your home environment utterly effortless. It adds an undeniable layer of convenience and comfort to daily living. Picture arriving home after a long day and your house is already perfectly lit and comfortably warm. AI assistants can significantly enhance home security. They can link directly to your smart security systems. You could ask, "Show me the video feed from the front door camera on a connected screen." The system can also be programmed to alert homeowners to unusual activity, such as unexpected motion detected when the house should be empty. This provides a valuable sense of peace of mind. It is a very practical application of this advanced technology. Furthermore, AI contributes to better energy management within the home. Smart thermostats, when controlled by an AI assistant, can learn your household's patterns of presence and absence. They can then adjust the heating and cooling systems efficiently without manual intervention. This intelligent operation can lead to significant savings on energy bills. It's also a positive step for the planet, helping us to live more sustainably. AI helps us become better stewards of our resources. Section 5. The numbers speak. AI assistants growing popularity. AI assistants are not some obscure, niche technology anymore. Their adoption by the public has become remarkably widespread. Consider this: over 8 billion voice assistants were projected to be in use worldwide by the year 2024. That is more assistants than there are people on Earth. In the United States alone, a significant 51% of adults regularly use these voice-activated helpers for information. This clearly shows their mainstream appeal and everyday utility. The ownership of smart speakers further underscores this trend. More than 1 in 5 adults in the US now own a smart speaker. These devices, like Amazon Echo or Google Home, are becoming common fixtures in households. Their presence is steadily increasing each year. This indicates a growing comfort level among the general population with having AI integrated into their personal spaces. We are inviting these digital entities into our homes. The global market for artificial intelligence is experiencing explosive growth. It was valued at approximately £305 billion, around $391 billion, in early 2025. Astounding projections suggest this market could soar to an incredible £1.41 trillion, around $1.81 trillion by the year 2030. This represents a compound annual growth rate of nearly 36%. Such rapid expansion reflects massive investment and fervent innovation in the field. The AI revolution is well and truly funded. Businesses, too, are keenly aware of AI's transformative potential. A remarkable 83% of companies state that AI is a top priority in their strategic planning. Furthermore, 87% of global organizations believe that AI gives them a distinct competitive edge. This widespread business adoption is a powerful engine. It fuels further research and development, ensuring that AI assistants will become even more capable and integrated into our lives in the years to come. Section 6: AI in the workplace, a shifting landscape. The influence of AI extends far beyond our homes. It is profoundly reshaping the world of work. This is not merely about automating simple tasks anymore. The rise of generative AI, like models that can create text or images, is impacting a wide array of jobs. It has the potential to affect a significant portion of tasks across numerous professions. We are witnessing a transformation in how work gets done. This is a major shift. AI is now capable of handling complex cognitive tasks. This is a departure from previous waves of automation. which primarily affected routine physical labor. Now, cognitive and non-routine tasks are also subject to AI's influence. This means that middle to higher paid professions are increasingly seeing AI integration. Tasks such as content writing, computer coding, and detailed data analysis can be assisted or even performed by AI tools. Microsoft 365 Copilot, for example, helps office workers draft emails and summarize documents. There is an undeniable reality that some current jobs might be replaced by AI. Some estimates suggest that AI and machine learning could replace as much as 16% of jobs in the United States in less than 5 years. However, the story does not end there. The same technological advancements are expected to create new types of jobs, around 9% according to some projections. This results in a net change, a dynamic shift in the job market that society must prepare for. Certain sectors are identified as being at higher risk of automation. The transportation and storage industry in the UK, for instance, sees a 56.4% risk. Manufacturing follows closely, along with wholesale and retail trade. Office and administrative support roles also face high exposure to automation. It is noteworthy that many of these roles are predominantly held by women, highlighting a potential gendered impact of this technological wave. We must be mindful of these disparities. Section 7. Addressing the anxieties, job automation and the human element. The prospect of widespread job automation understandably causes concern. People naturally worry about their livelihoods and future careers. It is essential that we discuss these anxieties openly and honestly. We need to collectively understand the potential impacts of AI on employment. This is a perfectly normal human response when faced with such significant technological change. Acknowledging these fears is the first step. The narrative around AI in the workplace should focus on augmentation, not solely on replacement. AI can be a powerful tool to assist humans in their jobs. It can take over tedious, repetitive, or dangerous tasks. This can free up human workers to concentrate on more creative, strategic, or interpersonal aspects of their roles. This collaborative vision, where AI empowers humans, offers a more optimistic and productive path forward. To navigate this transition successfully, we need proactive strategies. Engaging workers in the design and deployment of AI systems is crucial. Their insights can ensure that AI tools are genuinely helpful and well integrated. Public policies also have a role to play in mitigating job losses. This could include investment in education and retraining programs, equipping the workforce with new skills for an AI-driven economy. Organizations like the Brookings Institution are actively researching these approaches. There are already examples of positive adaptation and worker empowerment. The agreement reached between the Writers Guild of America and Hollywood studios included safeguards regarding the use of AI in scriptwriting. This demonstrates that workers, through collective bargaining, can have a significant voice in shaping how AI is implemented. Enhancing worker power, especially in sectors with traditionally low union density, will be important. We can and must navigate this transition thoughtfully and equitably. Section 8, Future Frontiers, the evolving potential of AI assistants. Looking ahead, AI assistants are poised to become even more sophisticated and capable. Their ability to understand context, nuance, and even human emotion will likely expand significantly. They will learn to anticipate our needs with greater accuracy, sometimes before we even articulate them. This ongoing evolution is happening at a remarkable pace. The AI of tomorrow will make today's assistants seem quite basic by comparison. The universe of AI is constantly expanding. Imagine a level of proactive assistance that feels truly personalized. An AI that not only suggests dinner recipes, but does so based on the actual contents of your smart refrigerator. Or an assistant that monitors your health data with your permission, of course, and proactively schedules routine medical checkups if it detects concerning patterns. This depth of integration, moving from reactive servant to proactive partner, is on the horizon. It will make them even more indispensable. Continued advancements in fundamental AI research are absolutely key to unlocking this future. Organizations like the Frontier Model Forum, launched by major tech companies, aim to advance AI safety research and promote the responsible development of these powerful systems. Challenges such as model collapse, where AI systems trained on AI-generated data degrade in quality, must be addressed. Ensuring a steady supply of high-quality, human-produced data for training remains vital for their continued growth and reliability. Ethical considerations will and must remain at the forefront of AI development. Protecting consumer privacy in an age of pervasive data collection is a paramount concern, as highlighted by President Biden's executive order on AI. Ensuring fairness and actively working to avoid bias in AI algorithms is critical to prevent societal harms. Comprehensive regulatory frameworks such as the EU AI Act and laws being considered by the US Congress will play a crucial role in shaping a responsible future for AI. Section 9. Conclusion: Embracing our AI-enhanced future. It is abundantly clear that AI assistants are fundamentally transforming our lives. This change is happening both within the sanctuary of our homes and out in the dynamic sphere of work. Their integration into daily routines is growing with each passing day. The benefits they offer, convenience, enhanced efficiency, and entirely new capabilities, are becoming increasingly apparent to millions around the globe. They are more than just gadgets, they are becoming companions. This journey into an AI-suffused world is not without its challenges, of course. The potential for job displacement due to automation is a significant concern that warrants serious attention. We must address this with foresight, empathy, and robust strategies for adaptation. The key will be to foster a future where humans and AI collaborate effectively. Such a symbiotic relationship will likely lead to the most beneficial outcomes for society as a whole. The future trajectory of AI assistants appears incredibly bright and full of potential. They promise even deeper integration into our lives and even greater utility in years to come. We are in many ways still in the early dawn of this particular technological revolution. The potential for AI to create positive impacts across countless domains of human endeavor is truly immense. Let us approach this unfolding future with a spirit of curiosity and open-minded exploration. Ultimately, AI assistants are tools, powerful tools, yes, but tools nonetheless, designed and built by humans for humans. Like any powerful instrument, from the first stone axe to the mighty star-faring rocket, we must wield them wisely and with consideration for the consequences. With thoughtful development, ethical deployment, and a commitment to shared benefit, AI assistants can significantly enhance our world. The cosmos of technology is vast, and our journey within it is just beginning.